When it comes to building high-converting landing pages, two of the most popular platforms that come up are ClickFunnels and Instapage. But which one is really the best landing page software? Let's dive into the comparison, and I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each to help you make the best decision for your business. To start, ClickFunnels is a well-known all-in-one sales funnel builder. It's designed to help you create landing pages, email funnels, and entire sales processes with ease. You get access to a lot of built-in tools for email marketing, automation, and even upsells or downsells. The learning curve is a bit steep, but for businesses looking to manage everything in one place, this can be a huge benefit. But there's a catch. If you're just looking for landing pages without all the extra stuff, it might feel like overkill. The price is also a factor to consider. ClickFunnels starts at $147 per month, which could be more than what you need for simple landing pages. Next thing, let's look at Instapage. Instapage is laser-focused on landing pages. The platform allows you to create professional, high-converting landing pages with an easy drag-and-drop editor. Instapage offers grade A, B testing tools, heat maps, and integrations with third-party apps. It's simple, straightforward, and specifically built for landing pages, so if that's your main focus, this might be the best option. However, the pricing starts at $199 per month, which is higher than ClickFunnels' basic plan. Also, while it's great for landing pages, it doesn't offer the full funnel building capabilities that ClickFunnels does, so if you need more than just a landing page, you'll have to look elsewhere. The third thing to note is customer support. ClickFunnels offers 24/7 support through chat and email, which is a big plus, but users report mixed experiences. Some find their support to be slow, while others find it helpful. Instapage also offers strong customer support, but their response time can vary depending on the plan you're on. You'll find that ClickFunnels is a bit more community-driven, with tons of online forums, courses, and groups to support users, while Instapage is more focused on its core product and the support directly related to landing page creation. Next up is the design flexibility. ClickFunnels offers pre-made templates and an intuitive editor, but it's not as flexible as Instapage when it comes to creative freedom. With Instapage, the design editor feels more modern and offers a lot more room for customizations and branding. If you're looking for pixel-perfect control over your landing page design, Instapage is likely the better choice. The fifth thing to consider is integrations. Both platforms integrate with a wide variety of tools like CRMs, email marketing software, and payment processors, but ClickFunnels stands out by offering a larger number of native integrations within its ecosystem. However, Instapage integrates more seamlessly with platforms like WordPress and Google Ads, which could be crucial for some businesses. Lastly, when it comes to performance and speed, Instapage tends to have the edge here. Since it's focused solely on landing pages, their pages tend to load faster, which is key for conversion rates. ClickFunnels does provide optimization, but the added complexity of all its features can sometimes affect speed and performance. Now, if you're looking for a solid landing page solution, both ClickFunnels and Instapage have their merits, but neither is perfect. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one solution for funnel building, while Instapage is a specialist in landing page creation with a focus on speed and design. But after trying both, if you're looking for a better alternative, one that's more affordable, easier to use, and focused on delivering high-quality landing pages with better speed, there's a platform I recommend. Take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive offer and the best free trial, available only to viewers like you. Trust me, this could be the solution you've been searching for.